Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Odoo Discussions YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Yunus, and in today's video we are going to talk about a very important concept, which is how to override controller methods and how to do the inheritance in controller classes. So this concept is very important, particularly when you want to modify some of the functionality of the website, or if you want to make some changes in the Odoo website portal. So today's we are going to write some code related to the inheritance of controller classes. So let me show you that what is the problem that we are facing and what we need to improve. So here on the portal, if we go to my account, here we can see classes section which we added in this course. So here we have one count as a class, but if we go to the backend, Open Academy, we have 3 records here for the classes. So it does not show up all the count, the correct count, and it shows all the classes. But this problem is because in the template we have still added the quotation code count variable. So in order to solve this problem, we need to override the method in the controller and also inherit the class in the controller. So how we can do it, like how we can find that which class we need to inherit and which methods we need to inherit. So first of all, we need to find the method and then we can easily find the class. So how we can do it? So for example, in this template, we can see that this quotation count variable is used. So we need to find this quotation count variable in the Python. So if we go let me scroll up to the Odoo add-ins directory, and here we need to search for this variable, which is this one. So here let me search in the Python. So here we can see it is used in many places, but we need to find the place where it is updating the values. For example, if you go here, we can see that it is updating the total number of sales order values, and the values are getting updated and then it is returned. Okay, so this is the value, this is the method which we need to inherit. So let me open this and see it. So first of all, you need to understand the structure of the portal classes and like the methods defined in it. So if we see this this class, which is customer portal, so it is actually inherited from the customer portal, which is defined in the portal file. So how you can find this? So here the portal file is imported and the whole path is added, like it is defined in the Odoo directory and then add-ins portal and then controller directory. This is the file name, and in this file this class is defined. So in this class these methods should be defined. So let me show you. If we go to add-ins and then search for portal like this, and let me see. So this is the portal, and then we need to go to the port controller, which is this one, and then we need to open the portal file, which is this one. Okay, so inside this portal, let me scroll up and search for this method, sorry, this class, like this is the class that is defined, which is also inherited from controller class, and this controller class is also defined in another file which is imported above. So if we see inside this, like in this class, we need to find this method. So let me search for this method. So you can see that this method is defined inside this customer portal class, and it is an empty method which is used to show the count of each record. So in order to inherit and override this class and method, so first of all we need to copy this, because we are not going to inherit this class which is defined in the sales module, but we will inherit this one because we need to add the same functionality like added for the sales. So we will have to copy this import statement and paste in our module like this. Okay, and then we need to copy this to inherit the class and paste it here. So here we can change this name, but we can also keep it as it is. But let me change it because we are going to customize it, discussions. So here is the portal, the file name, and then the class name which we are going to inherit. So here we need to override the method, which is this one. So in order to override the method, we use the super call, because the base method should be called, otherwise it will not work. So we will copy this code and then paste it here. So this is the name, which should be exactly the same. Okay, so this is the method we are inheriting, and then we need to return these values. Okay, like this. This is it. This is, we have inherited the class, and then we override this method where we can add and update our custom values. So first of all, we need to understand that what these counter and values variables are. So we can use print statement here for debugging. We can print the values, and here we will add that these are the values, and then we can add another print statement which will print the counter. Okay, so that we understand that what these variables hold. Okay, now let me restart Odoo service, and then go to this portal section and refresh the page. So once the page is refreshed, you will see that what these both values, like values and counter, hold. Okay, so here it is printed. So in first iteration, the values is empty, and then quotation and count. Quotation count and quotation count are 2 times, and then again it is order count, RFQ count, invoices count. So all these variables that are defined on the template are showing up here. So why it does not show up the courses count? Because we have not added it in the template. So what we need to do here is to add course count like this, and then we need to upgrade our custom module, which is Odoo Open Academy website. So let me go to backend. So the module has been upgraded. Let me refresh this page again. So if you refresh it and then open the terminal to see the logs, so here you can see we have added course count, which is showing up here like this. Now we can pass the value to the course count to show up here. If we go to the portal, so we cannot see the course count because the value is currently 0, which is the default value. So we can now update these values, which is a dictionary. So if we go to the terminal, and here you can see this is a dictionary which hold the value of the count variable. So let me update it. What we can do here is values, and then here we can update is like dictionary course count, which should be the same like we have here, for example here. So this variable name should be the same like here, and here we can add a value. For example, let's suppose 3, because we have 3 records, so we can just assign a static value to see if it is showing up on the portal or not. Now refresh this page. Okay, so let me refresh it. Okay, so you can see the classes are now showing up here with count 3, and here we can see courses count is 3. So this is how you can override a method in the portal. So now we need to count the real values of this. So in order to do so, we can use like the request.env.search method. So here we can say request.env, and we need to get Odoo classes, like courses or classes, whatever the model name is, and then we need to use a search count. So search count is an ORM method which returns how many records are. So it just returns an integer, which is the count of the values based on the domain. So we can just keep it as empty domain because we need to return all the values. So now let me refresh this, and you will see the real values. So this is it. And if we go here, let me add a new value. For example, Odoo discussions courses, and let me add like a responsible, and so let me save it and then refresh it. So here you can see it becomes 4. So it will also show up for like this. So now we can remove this print statement, and this is it. This is how simple you can override the method in controller. So if you find this video useful, please give a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. So in the next video, we will improve this view so that it looks like the way the other portal sections are looking, like this one. So thank you.